Obsidian versus Todoist. Two powerful workflow tools. But which one really delivers? On the left, Obsidian, your private and local knowledge base. And on the right, Todoist, advanced task management in a sleek package. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect.
All right, before we get started, let me lay out what we're comparing. So here's our roadmap. We've got note-taking, task management, collaboration, platform compatibility, and data storage. I mean, these categories really cover the nitty-gritty of day-to-day productivity, right? Okay, let's jump in. So first up, note-taking. If you're into jotting down ideas, organizing your thoughts, or even building your own personal wiki, Obsidian is seriously impressive. One of the coolest things, it's private and secure. Everything's offline, and you can link your notes like a web. Honestly, I love that kind of flexibility. The flip side, no real collaboration tools yet, so if you want to work with someone else, it's kind of solo. Now, Todoist, on the other hand, is great for managing tasks and plays well with other apps. But, and this is a big but, it isn't really built for hardcore note-taking. So, for this round, Obsidian definitely takes the win. Now, task management. Obsidian can handle basic tasks like to-dos in your notes, but it's pretty basic, let's be real. If you need more advanced features, you're gonna feel the limit. Todoist, though? Oh man, this is where it shines. You get advanced task organization, natural language input, like you can literally type buy milk tomorrow and it'll know what you mean, reminders, recurring tasks, the whole deal. Honestly, if you're someone who lives inside their task lists, Todoist is hard to beat. Sometimes the features might get a little overwhelming, especially if you just want something simple, but the power is there. Winner for task management is a clear Todoist.
Moving on to collaboration. Obsidian is starting to add some collaboration features, which is nice, but right now it's still kind of limited. If you're working solo, you won't notice, but for teams, not quite there yet. Todoist, though, you can invite team members, share tasks, and even connect with other collaboration tools. While it isn't maybe as wild as some other platforms, it's actually pretty solid if you want to work together. So, for collaboration, Todoist takes this one too. Oh, and here's something interesting. Did you know Obsidian and Todoist sort of solve different problems? Obsidian is like the private notebook for all your thoughts, and Todoist feels like your personal assistant for tackling daily tasks. They're both powerful for organizing your workflow, just in different ways. Next up, platform compatibility. Honestly, both apps pretty much nailed this in 2025. Obsidian is everywhere. Android, iOS, Windows, Linux, Mac. It's like if you own a device, you can probably use it. Same goes for Todoist. So you really aren't missing out, whichever you choose. I mean, it's a tie. Can't split these two here. All right, so finally, data storage. Here's something cool. Obsidian keeps your data local. If you're big on privacy or just want to control your stuff, that's huge. You can back up wherever and however you want. Todoist does cloud syncing, which is great for working anywhere, but you get less say over where your stuff is stored. If you want total control, Obsidian definitely wins.
If we map out all those categories side by side, you can see where each shines and where they fall short. It's not even a direct head-to-head because they're kind of built for different things. Note-taking versus task management. So to sum this up, if your main goal is building your own knowledge base, jotting down ideas, and keeping everything private, Obsidian is the move. But if you want to stay on top of your tasks and work with teams, Todoist just gets the job done. Both are awesome. Just pick whichever fits best with your workflow. If you found this helpful, honestly, let me know. And just remember, choose the tool that best fits where you want to be productive.